Have you ever noticed? A tiny seed no bigger than the tip of your finger that actually packs more protein than an egg. It sounds almost unbelievable, right? But it's true. What's even more remarkable is that this little seed doesn't just nourish muscles, it helps fight sarcopenia, the silent erosion of muscle that comes with aging. This quiet killer doesn't announce itself all at once. It sneaks up on you, until suddenly, standing up from a chair feels like climbing a mountain. The steps seem higher. Your palms tremble while trying to twist off a jar lid. But here's the thing. Sometimes, the most powerful things in nature come in the smallest packages. Today, I want to share with you 5 super seed secret weapons I've witnessed bring older adults back to stronger muscles, boosted confidence, and freedom with every step. I'm not talking about expensive supplements or grueling workout routines. I'm talking about simple gifts from nature that you can easily slip into your breakfast, lunchtime salad, or afternoon smoothie. Before we dive deeper, I have to ask, have you ever worried about the strength of your legs? Let me tell you about Linda, 72. She came to me because she kept having unexpected falls in her kitchen. She even stopped going to her beloved weekend library visits all because she no longer trusted her legs. But just 3 months later, after she added a daily spoonful of hemp seeds and a few other tweaks to her diet, Linda told me she slept better, her hands weren't shaking as much, and standing up felt easier again. I've seen dozens of stories like Linda's in my career. I also know change isn't always easy. But it always starts with something very small, so leave a comment below and tell me, have you been paying attention to your legs lately? Just a simple yes or no is all it takes. When we share, we realize we're not alone. If you made it this far, please hit like and subscribe. Type 1 if this resonates with you or 0 if not. And stick around until the end. I'm not just going to name these seeds. I'll share a straightforward nutrition plan that helps transform a body that's feeling worn out into one that's sturdy like a house gradually renovated. One window, one wall, at a time with just tiny shifts. In your daily meals. 1. Pumpkin seeds. The little green gems your muscles and heart will thank you for. Have you ever cracked open a pumpkin and found those small green seeds nestled inside? They might seem unremarkable, but each one is packed with a quiet vitality helping repair muscle, soothe your sleep, and guard your heart. Just 1 ounce, about 2 tablespoons, offers nearly 8 grams of high-quality protein and contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in magnesium, a mineral that promotes muscle relaxation, reduces nighttime cramps, and helps you sleep more deeply. And remember, true rest gives your body the chance to heal muscle fibers naturally. They also provide zinc, iron, and omega-6, vital for immune support, nourishing your heart, and improving circulation as we age and our blood flow becomes less vigorous. Don't forget tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin and melatonin molecules that lift your mood and improve your sleep. So you're not just eating a healthier body, you're comforting your mind as well. The best part, they're simple to use. Sprinkle them on oatmeal or yogurt in the morning. Toss them into a green salad with olive oil and apple cider vinegar, or simply enjoy them as a crunchy, nutritious snack instead of salty chips. A small handful today is a meaningful gift to your body, strengthening muscles, protecting your heart, improving sleep, and helping you continue to live strong, free, and vibrant. 2. Hemp seeds, a gentle powerhouse for your knees and stride. Now, imagine a seed no larger than your fingertip. yet remarkably powerful hemp seeds. 3 tablespoons offer over 10 grams of complete protein on par with, or even surpassing, an egg. You can mix them into your breakfast, sprinkle them on a salad, or blend them into an afternoon smoothie to steadily rebuild those muscle strands that time has thinned. Hemp seeds are often called the king of plant proteins. They contain the perfect 3-to-1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3, helping reduce inflammation, support cardiovascular health, and enhance blood flow to each muscle fiber. Plus, the omega-3s self-nourish the cell membranes between nerves and muscles, helping your stride stay steady and lessening the chance of falls. They're also rich in magnesium, which helps muscles contract and relax, and iron and zinc, supporting red blood cell production and stamina for walking or gardening. They're easy on the stomach, without phytates that block nutrient absorption. For someone whose digestion isn't what it used to be, think of hemp seeds as a gentle, plant-based protein, just as strong as an egg, but kinder to your body. A spoonful a day quietly supports your muscles and your confidence. Our legs aren't just for walking, they're symbols of independence, dignity, and self-belonging. And hemp seeds are that silent shield, helping your steps grow stronger and steadier with every day. 3. Firm tofu, soft strength that heals from within. Tofu's mousse, gentle, and often underappreciated, is a wonderful gift from nature for anyone wanting muscle-building benefits without taxing their digestion. With about 8 grams of complete protein per serving, each bite of firm tofu strengthens muscles without the heaviness of meat. It's powerfully simple. But tofu doesn't stop there. It contains bioavailable calcium, especially if it's made with calcium sulfate, making it an excellent friend to aging bones. It also delivers iron, helping carry oxygen to muscles so you stay energized on a stroll or during light activity. Plus, soy isoflavones act like plant-based estrogens, supporting heart health, reducing inflammation, maintaining bone density, and balancing hormones. That means relief from menopausal symptoms in women and heart benefits in men without interfering with natural testosterone. The best part: tofu is versatile and easy to cook. Slice, season with garlic, salt, and pepper, and lightly bake for a crispy treat with brown rice. Stir-fry with broccoli, mushrooms, and a little low-sodium soy sauce for a light yet nourishing meal. Or enjoy it chilled with sesame seeds and soy sauce when you're craving something simple. Low on carbs, gluten-free, cholesterol-free firm tofu is a tender yet powerful option. It's like a soft hug for your bones, muscles, heart, and digestion when you savor that warm, comforting tofu dish. Remember, you're giving your legs strength and stability with every bite. 4. Quinoa, a nutrient-rich grain that builds more than energy. Quinoa may be martini. Like a pearl butt, it holds a big story of nourishment, once called the mother of all grains by the Incas. Just one cooked cup, about 185 grams, offers nearly 8 grams of complete protein, including lysine, a crucial amino acid usually missing from other grains. It's also rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, soluble fiber, iron, zinc, folate, and vitamin B6, helping muscles contract smoothly, reduce cramping, support nerves, aid digestion, and regulate blood sugar. Plus, quinoa has a low to medium glycemic index. That means stable energy without spikes, perfect for seniors managing prediabetes or diabetes. I often tell my clients to cook it like rice. Rinse well to remove bitter saponins. Use a 2-to-1 water-to-quinoa ratio. Cook for 15 minutes when the grains bloom and become translucent. You know it's done. Have it for breakfast with almond milk, and a sprinkle of hemp or moringa. Serve it with salmon or tofu for lunch, or mix with spinach, almonds, and olive oil for a gentle yet vibrant dinner. Each spoonful of quinoa becomes an investment in your muscles, bones, nerves, and your ongoing independence and dignity. Remember, growing older doesn't have to mean losing strength or energy, so long as you nourish your body with intention. 5. Moringa, a little green leaf with big impact. If any plant deserved to be named the tree of life, it's moringa, strong, resilient, and packed with natural nutrients. This miracle tree has sustained people in some of the world's harshest climates. When its leaves are dried and ground into powder, they become a true superfood packed with 27 grams of complete plant protein per 100 grams, even more than eggs. What makes moringa shine is how gently it nourishes the body. A 70-year-old woman once told me, "Since I stirred a spoon of moringa into my almond milk each morning, I feel a spark of energy I haven't felt in years." The vitamins A, C, K, and minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium support immune health, bone resilience, joint comfort, and steady recovery after every walk or effort. And the antioxidants, like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, help reduce chronic inflammation, morning stiffness, and delayed recovery after physical activity. Using moringa is as simple as stirring it into your smoothie, adding to oatmeal, or blending it into soups or salad dressings. It's not a diet fad, it's a loving gesture to your body, whispering, "You deserve resilience. You deserve restoration." 6. Sacha Inchi, the Incan gold that sustains strides deep in the Amazon. The Incas discovered a secret in the Sacha Inchi, an unsung gem that sustained warriors on long treks. Just 28 grams of Sacha Inchi contain 8 to 9 grams of complete protein, abundant omega-3s, vitamin E, magnesium, zinc, and tryptophanol, essential for keeping muscles, joints, and nerves fulfilled and agile. A 74-year-old gentleman shared, "I used to get nighttime leg cramps, but after sprinkling a few of these on my oatmeal, my legs feel calm again." Omega-3s South help reduce inflammation and improve nerve-to-muscle communication, helping you walk with steadier, surer steps. Vitamin E enhances circulation, keeping your feet warm and flexible, so that time doesn't freeze your movements. This seed supports sleep, relaxation, and recovery, while also being gentle on even the most sensitive digestion. I sometimes call it Amazonian resilience in a single seed. Use it this way. Add a spoon to your morning oats. Mix into your quinoa salad. Snack on a handful of roasted Sacha Inchi while watching TV. Every small seed is a whisper. You are still here. You still matter. You still deserve strength, confidence, and independence. We've journeyed through 6 incredible seeds and plant proteins: pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds, tofu, quinoa, moringa, and Sacha Inchi. No gimmicks, no bold claims. Just simple, natural nourishment that helps rebuild your body quietly, steadily, and restores strength. Sometimes, all it takes is a choice, a spoonful, a bite, to rediscover a body that still can. So today, start small. Add moringa to your smoothie. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds on yogurt. Prepare tofu and quinoa for dinner, or swap chips for Sacha Inchi. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Are you ready to choose one small change for your body today? Just reply yes or not yet. I'll personally read every single comment, because sharing our stories reminds us that none of us walks this journey alone. If this video moved you, please hit like, subscribe. And type 1 if you're with me or 0 if you're still unsure. Either way, I'm here with you every step of the way. Age isn't a decline. It's an invitation to live more deeply, more intentionally, more beautifully, and sometimes a single tiny seed can mark the beginning of a powerful, healing journey. Let's start, because you are absolutely worth it.